Welcome to day 7 of Vlogmas. I am Hope here at Crafty Hope, and I am trying to document, most of December as I can. So today's hopefully going to be a bit more exciting than yesterday. Yesterday was a lot of household stuff. I still need to do other things, but I might actually leave the house today and not go to the grocery store. I need to go to the gallery, Hello Gallery, and Southern Antiques and Accents and take care of some businessy things there. And maybe fluff the booths. And maybe I can give y'all a look at downtown Fairhope and all of its, and all of its Christmas glory. So, yeah, may do that. And that would get me out. Pat and I did take a walk this morning. The sunrise was not as beautiful as yesterday's was, but it was nice. So before I go make my bullet journal list for today, which includes, I'd like to do some recycling, but Pat and I may do that together because the boxes we need to recycle are the ones for the oven. I don't even know if you can see it. It's huge. It's massive. It needs to be broken down. And then the 2 e-bike boxes, which are also huge and massive. And we don't think it'll fit in my car. So we'll have to take a stroke. Anyway, let's do some Advents real quick and get on with the day. So I'm going to start with my Arteza Fine Art calendar. Super fun. It's so pretty. I love all the mushrooms. So today, what did I say? Today is 6. This is Vlogmas 7. So I'm trying to find number 6. It is right here. So let's see. Can I do this on camera? Punch it in. Aha. And then pull it out. This one would be a fun one to keep because it's got that little bit of the, like the berries and the leaves on it that I think are pretty. Alright, pull that open. What have we got? Ooh, another tube of, oh, this is an oil paint. Okay guys, I am not familiar with how to work with an oil paint, and it is Viridian Green, is that right? Viridian Green, so that's a really pretty color too. Yeah. All right, if you've got suggestions on how to work best with an oil paint, I knew that this was a possibility that there was going to be an oil paint coming in here because it is a fine art Advent. So, yeah. But yeah, give me your oil paint suggestions because that one throws me for a loop. All right, I'm going to take a sip of coffee. All right. So then I have my Advent swap, which is a mixed media Advent swap that I am doing with my friend Nina Fickett, who is also a mixed media artist. I'll have links to her below, and over on Instagram, she is sharing what I send her every day. So, and I will tell you, I think I remember what I sent her today, so I can tell you that after I open hers. So here is day 6. You got a little look at that when I went to pick it up. And let's see, oh, she did more mushrooms on the back. So this is another keeper tag. What does that say? It says Sol, S-O-L-L. I don't know, does that mean something? Maybe, no, it's S-O-L-L. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's just random. Okay, so it's got this awesome knobby, I'm trying to get me off camera, this knobby, like, yarn. That's super cool. Okay, and there is a note, but looking at it, because I'm coming to recognize what she used on what, this yarn is definitely a keeper. I think this is going to be vintage. Yes, so vintage. I just had to share them with you. Let's see. So I'm gonna pull this open. Because it's vintage, I'm going to, it's some vintage photos. So I know that Nina recently got a bunch, or she just may have a bunch. But y'all, look, okay, let's move some things around here. Look at this couple and their silver wedding anniversary. Oh, and there's Clyde and Hattie. Aren't they cute? Oh, okay. I may have to show y'all these in another way than this, but my gosh, Nina, I'll have to count and see how many she sent, but this was quite generous. Oh my gosh, look at her. What has she got? It looks like she's got a candied apple. You see that? How funny. Oh, these are fabulous. This group of hooligans. It's probably just the boys. Oh, these are fabulous. And I love that some of these have the like decal edge to them. You can see some were taken out of scrapbooks. This one I can't quite. Oh, it's a bear. Oh shoot, it's a bear in somebody's garden or something. You see the bear? Oh my goodness. Yikes. Thank you, Nina. These, oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with these. It's gonna make me want to actually like use these and some of the ones I have. It's just a sleepy head, and I don't know, I don't see anybody. Old black and whites are so funny. Okay guys, I did. This is super boring for you because I am just flipping it through photos. So let me tell you what I sent Nita today. It was also vintage, and I sent her a package of various doilies and laces that yeah, they're vintage. So that I thought could add either, you know, be dyed, be altered in some way, be texture inside things. So that's what Nina got today. But like I said, head over to her Instagram to see, to get a look at it. And also I am sharing these each day that the videos go up on Instagram as well. So if you want a better look at them, also you can look at my Instagram. Okay, let me go make my list for the day and maybe try to do something a little fun. I might even try to run out and look at Christmas trees at Target because I really want a Christmas tree. I want something, but in this chaos of these renovations, it's making me crazy. So I don't know. I don't know if I want more things in the house or not, because I mean, here's my spices. All right. Let me go do a day. Accomplished this morning. Yeah, almost everything on my list, including some of the recycling. I still have like the regular household recycling that I may take in my car today or tomorrow. We'll see. But we got the big stuff, the bikes and the oven boxes, which were boogers. And now we're back home for me to make some lunch. So I'm just gonna make some sandwiches. I actually, you know, I showed y'all, I think, a video of me working on some more little disc pieces, and I was about to head to go start pulling out maybe some Christmas decorations, and now with those boxes gone, I feel a lot better about pulling out some Christmas decorations. So this afternoon I may just run errands once I get lunch done. I know I've got a couple I've got to run, but I might do a little bit of shopping just to get that off my conscience. I did get a couple of Pat's Christmas gifts online this morning, so I've got the big one I still have to get, but that was a start for him anyway. So all right, I'm gonna make us some lunch and then we're gonna run some errands. An afternoon. I got out and actually got some, you probably saw a little bit of downtown. Ooh, Zoe's pulling me. Sorry. A little bit of downtown Fairhope. I'm hoping that I can get that. I talked about earlier and was like, we should go downtown and see the lights, and I can get some footage of that, but probably not tonight. Some other time we'll go down there. But I also got some Christmas shopping done, which is good. I've got, here I'll put leaves crunching. I've got my brother stationed in Guam, and I have 2 nieces and 2 nephews there with him. So I got their gifts so that I can get them wrapped and packaged and sent to Guam before Christmas. So some years I do better than others, and yeah, I'm hoping I did okay this year. So I just need to get it all wrapped up. Oh, apparently we're going up this way. I'm hoping I can get it all wrapped up and wrapped out. Yeah, and sent out. So that's something off my list. I thought about heading and making another stop, but I was like, you know, it's after 4 o'clock. By the time I get home, it'll be after 5. It'll be dark, and traffic was already crazy. Everything was crazy. So it's that time of year. It's that magical time of year that somehow traffic picks up. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna make dinner. I've got a Pioneer Woman, what is it, spicy barbecue sliders that I'm gonna make tonight. That should be fun. So I need to go look at that recipe, and we'll have that tonight. And I'm trying to think, maybe do some more. I was hoping to maybe come home with a Christmas tree while I was out, but I could not find one. So yeah, Pat says that we'll likely get one this weekend, but I don't know if that means we'll get a live one, because I haven't been able to find an artificial one that I want. Or I may have to go back to Walmart. I don't really like any of theirs. We'll see.